big news today!
We're introducing you to Proactor, the world's first proactive AI teammate.
Unlike traditional chatbots that wait for prompts, Proactor listens, thinks ahead, and provides real-time solutions. Let's drop into a real meeting to see it in action.
Just came from a meeting with the boss about the new launch. The targets are ambitious. A $10,000 budget for 100 million views.
For $10,000, 100 million views?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Based on our experience.
In this case, Proactor perceives the context from their discussion. It understood the need, giving assistance in real time.
Use your imagination and make it happen.
And the advice is constantly improved as the dialogue continues. We can see the details all come from its real-time analysis of the conversation. Proactor has provided highly detailed and actionable solutions. When the conversation or meeting is done, Proactor compiles it all into a smart wiki. Here's the conversation timeline, its overview and summary, takeaways, and to-do list, organized and instantly accessible.
In meetings, strategy huddles, classrooms, brainstorms, interviews, even personal reflections. Whenever ideas flow, Proactor turns words into inspiration and action.
It stays right beside you, spotting opportunities and sharing real-time insights. We are eager to see how it helps you move forward. This is Proactor, the world's first proactive AI teammate. Bring it into your next conversation and let's achieve more together.